PCN Smart Hot Food Vending Machine. This machine has a very large capacity and can hold up to 200 boxes of meals. The whole machine adopts ozone sterilization, which effectively guarantees food safety. Delicacy that can be seen in the transparent window. Support a variety of payment methods, such as banknotes, coins, credit card, scan co-payment, etc. Delicacy that can be seen in the transparent window. Suitable products: boxed lunch with soup, boxed food that needs to be heated like dumplings, buns, various snacks. Mealtime: cold meal is less than 15 seconds, heating meal is less than 80 seconds, 600g box lunch and vegetables, heated from 0 to 65 degrees. The heating time can be set freely. It can be used for heating the whole machine. The highest temperature of the whole machine can reach 55 degrees. The whole machine is sterilized by ozone, and the mouth of the meal is sterilized by ultraviolet light. The user-friendly intermediate pickup location makes the user experience better.